Hello kids, welcome to my channel. This is black color. It is rounded square or rounded corner square. It is crescent moon. It is right triangle. It is cylinder. Circle. It is circle. It is hexagon. Now let us know about the color name. These are colors. It is blue color. It is green color. It is red color. Orange. It is violet. It is yellow. Now let us color the shapes. It is green color. It is rounded corner square. It is sky blue color. This shape is crescent moon. It is red color. It is right triangle. It is orange color. It is cylinder. It is violet color. It is circle. Yellow color. It is hexagon. Kids, let us recall the shape name and color name once again. It is rounded square, light green color, crescent moon, blue color, right triangle, red color, cylinder, orange color, circle, violet color, hexagon, yellow color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.